Chris Jennock here, Insight Media. It's CES 2026. This is PepCon. I'm looking at a booth. It's called, the company called XGIMI, and they have a new virtual actually an augmented reality headset. This is the product here. It's actually a dual display headset. So it's got it's a waveguide. Glass waveguide made with surface relief gratings, and it has a 25-degree field of view. It is monochrome green. It has two little projectors in the side temples, and so it's 100% stereo overlap, and it creates actually a pretty nice clean image. It's the resolution of the projector is 640 by 480, but they only use a smaller portion of that, maybe I think 600 by 320 or something of the sort. And because of that, they are able to move the image up and down, a little bit left and right, and they can even move the image forward and backward by changing the disparity. It's from the image that's coming from your phone. So this actually is quite comfortable. The Meta Ray-Ban glasses that I've tried has a fixed focal distance, and for me personally, it's too close, so it's out of focus. With the adjustability of this, it's actually a very nice feature and makes it more useful. You can also add your own diopter to this, so you have a prescription. They can accommodate that. The base model is about $600. It's, I believe, available now. There is, I don't think there's a microphone. There's definitely not a camera. So what you get, you have to use your phone to display information that you want. I didn't explore the user interface very much, so I don't know too much about the applications. But as far as the technology goes, I was fairly impressed. Even that small image is actually a pretty big field of view. 25 degrees is, when it's stereo overlapped and in front of your face, is actually a pretty big field of view. So that's the story. Chris Jennock here.